Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be talking about 4 great monthly dividend stocks that I'm buying right now. These stocks will be added to our Dividend A to Z portfolio, where we test out how our dividend only portfolio will perform percentage wise versus my real money portfolio, other dividend only indexes, and the major market indexes like the Dow and S&P. This will be an equal weight portfolio. I'll be adding $1,000 worth of each asset to my portfolio. Let's get right into it. The first stock on our list is Gladstone Investment, ticker symbol GAIN, or GAIN. You can find this and more information on their website. GAIN was founded in 2005. They're a private equity fund focused on acquiring mature, low-middle market companies with attractive fundamentals and strong management teams. As a publicly traded business development company, GAIN provides both equity and debt capital, which greatly increases certainty and speed of closing, as well as provide GAIN shareholders with both current yield in the form of monthly dividends and potential capital gains upside. In addition to providing most, if not all, of the equity and debt capital required to close a transaction, GAIN has no partnership end-of-life deadlines and can structure investments in line with the long-term needs of the businesses they invest in. By providing truly patient long-term capital, GAIN is a value-added partner to the companies we invest in. Here's their investment criteria. GAIN typically invests up to $30 million of debt and equity in a transaction. Most of the businesses in which we invest are market leaders in stable industries, have profitable operations, and strong management teams with proven results during various economic cycles. Companies we invest in typically have the following characteristics: $3 million to $20 million in EBITDA, experienced management team, proven business model, predictable and stable cash flow with consistent earnings, minimal market risk or technology risk, potential to expand cash flow, long-term customer relationships, and continental United States location. Here are their current investments in the business and services distribution sector. You might recognize some of these companies, and I'll go into some of them deeper in a moment. Here's the consumer products portfolio. And here's the manufacturing portfolio. Here are some Gladstone investment companies that I really like. First off, Funko. Funko sells different collectibles like toys, accessories, and collectible items from pop culture icons in different industries like movies, TV, and music. Funko is also publicly traded and has been recently beating revenue estimates due to the recent increase in hype for collectible items. Another one you guys might know is Educators Resource. They have many services for teachers, schools, and school districts, along with products that teachers rely on. This is another reliable business model in their stash. Another great investment of theirs that I like is Edge Adhesives, the owners of PlyoSeal and Permatite, and more, with a focus on the manufacturing of adhesives, sealants, tapes, and coatings. You guys might have also heard of Brunswick. Like Edge Adhesives, Brunswick also has many brands under them. Brunswick basically offers any bowling product you can think of. On top of that, they also supply the products and services needed to open your own bowling center. The last Gladstone investment I want to focus on is Head & Country barbecue sauce. Head & Country controls a large portion of the barbecue market. I like the product itself, and I also like the investment into consumer staples. GAIN stock is currently trading at $13.10. Its dividend is currently 84 cents a share. With Gladstone Investment, we'll be making a whopping $64.12 in yearly income. That's $5.34 a month, or 18 cents a day. Next on our monthly dividend stocks list is Grupo Aval, ticker symbol AVAL. Grupo Aval is a Colombian holding company engaged in a wide variety of financial activities, including banking, telecommunications, and real estate in Colombia and Central America. Grupo Aval's net profit came in at 4.6 trillion pesos, or $1.3 billion last year. Grupo Aval controls some of Colombia and Central America's top financial organizations, including Banco de Bogotá, Banco de Occidente, Banco Popular, Banco Avilas, Multibank, Corfico Colombia, and more. I apologize if I butchered any of those pronunciations. AVAL is currently sitting at a very fair price of $6.30 a share. I think this stock has a ton of potential. The stock's dividend is currently $0.295 or around 30 cents. With Grupo Aval, we'll be making $46.83 in yearly income. That's $3.90 a month or 13 cents a day. The third monthly dividend stock we'll talk about today is Global Water Resources, ticker symbol GWRS. Global Water Resources is a water resource management company. The company owns and operates utilities which provide water, wastewater, and recycled water services. It implements total water management, an integrated approach for managing the entire water cycle by owning and operating water, wastewater, and recycled water utilities within the same geographic area. The company owns and operates approximately 14 water and wastewater utilities in communities around metropolitan Phoenix. They operate through Global Water Resources and many other subsidiaries. Global Water Resources is one of the most efficient and reliable operations in its industry. They have delivered over 30.6 billion gallons of potable water, saved 9.27 billion gallons of water, and served 49,158 connections. GWRS is currently trading at $17.04 a share. The stock's dividend is currently $0.292 or a little more than 29 cents. With GWRS, we'll be making $17.14 in yearly income. That's $1.43 a month or 5 cents a day. The last monthly dividend stock we'll talk about today is Vareit, but specifically their preferred shares. The ticker symbol can be VERF, VERPF, or VERPRF, depending on what platform you're looking at. Vareit is a full-service real estate operating company which owns and manages one of the largest portfolios of single-tenant commercial properties in the U.S. The company has total real estate investments of $14.6 billion, including approximately 3,800 properties and 89.5 million square feet. Vareit's business model provides equity capital to creditworthy corporations in return for long-term leases on their properties. Vareit is a publicly traded Maryland corporation listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Currently, 45.4% of its properties are retail properties, 20.3% are restaurants, 17.7% are industrial properties, 16.5% are office properties, and 0.1% are other. They currently have 639 tenants in 41 different industries and in 49 states and Puerto Rico. They currently have an amazing 98.1% occupancy and a weighted average remaining lease term of 8.5 years. They have some amazing tenants like the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar franchise, Dollar General, Walgreens, FedEx, CVS, BJ's, LA Fitness, PepSmart, and more. VERF is currently trading at $25.41. The stock's dividend is currently $1.675. With Vareit's preferred shares, we'll be making a whopping $65.91 in yearly income. That's $5.49 a month or 18 cents a day. After today's additions, this portfolio will pay us out $1,059 each year. That means we'll be receiving $88.25 monthly or $2.90 every day. The current yield for this portfolio is 5.03%. With only a conservative 4% annual dividend growth rate and only a 2% gain in annual stock price, this portfolio will be worth $117,433 in 20 years. In 20 years, the annual dividend income for this portfolio would be about $10,325 a year. Check out the previous videos in the Dividend A to Z playlist to see why we added our other holdings. Here's my upcoming payments. On average, the monthly payout is about $87, but some months I'll be paid out up to $100. These are the 4 monthly dividend stocks we'll be adding to our Dividend A to Z portfolio today. If you want free stocks, make sure to check out the links in the description. Comment below your favorite stock from the list or any monthly dividend stocks that you're planning to buy. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next video.